A photograph captures a moment that's gone forever. A video records the moments of love, affection, and emotions. A document encapsulates our thoughts, feelings, and passion. All of this data, and we produce it by leaps and bounds. However, your data is fragile. Everybody experiences data loss at some point. What is gone isn't just data, but memories of a lifetime. So, what do? Just let it go? No. All you need are effective recovery solutions. Tenorshare 4D Dig is a creation of tech-obsessed and innovative individuals that are passionate about data recovery. We recover erased data from computers. We restore inaccessible information from storage devices. We repair damaged files to make them operational. We are committed to alleviating people from the misery of data loss. Our single goal is to make data recovery easier and effective.